Behold, the blade known as Dragon Tusk, the most powerful sword ever forged by man.
Impressive.
They say it can cleave 3 men in half in one swipe. I am dead!
I accept the staff.
Whoops, I'm dead.
Oh wow.
Alas, this great blade has never seen battle, for it can only be wielded by a warrior with a strength of 10 men.
Wait, what? That's dumb.
Excuse you?
The strength of 10 men. So in other words, it's just way too heavy for anyone to use.
Yeah, that actually is pretty dumb.
The stand is insanely cool though.
Indeed.